everybody just did Black Book Law and said, hey, everybody's getting into like RACKS and they're starting their business and it's spring. Everybody's showing their setups and different things. Dave said hi. You're going to hear a lot about Equipment Defender. They do, you know what I mean? Or you're going to hear a lot about Green Touch. And you're going to hear haters and pros and cons of both from the fans. But what you're not going to hear about is the guy who's just starting out who can't afford $400 worth of RACKS. Am I right, Dave?
Oh yeah, definitely.
You're not gonna hear about that. So for any of you guys that are just starting out and you don't have a whole lot of money, you still need to get your equipment out of the bed of your truck. And so here's what Dave did. And I think it's an awesome idea. I haven't seen anybody put any videos out about this. So I'm gonna show you the cheapest way. And it's not, if someone comes along, they're gonna be able to pick it, ain't they? They're gonna be able to take it from you. But if you want to get your equipment up and off of your truck and you're in a pinch, or you want to maybe get through this season so next season you can invest into something a little bit better, got something for you. All right, y'all. Here's what we're talking about here. You got these. How much you pay for these on Amazon?
I think they're like $40 for a piece. Like $40 for this set, $40 for that set.
$40 for this set, $40 for that set, right there. And you can get both of them. Like I said, about $80 you can get them. And these are what, $10?
I think they were a little more than that, like 20 or 30.
20 or $30 for your spool of for your string trimmer.
Those were about 50.
And these were about 50 each.
Yeah.
And these are about 50 each. So you're looking at like, let's say 80. So you're looking at about 250, somewhere around there. You can get 2 backpack blower racks, 3 you can hold 6 trimmers, and 2 spools of string trimmer, all for about $250. You can get all that done for about $250-ish. Just, use your best judgment. If you can afford to get the really high-end stuff because you want to fit in with all the YouTubers and you want to show off, that's really cool. More power to you. But is this the safest way to have? If you're in the city and you're working, can someone steal from you on this? Absolutely. But if you're in kind of maybe a rural area, or you're in an area where you don't think anybody's gonna rob from you, or you can have one person in the front, one person in the back, or something. I don't know. If you're in a pinch, you want to get your equipment up out of your truck, go with these, man. And they're not as pretty, are they?
Nope.
They're not as pretty, but you know what? When you're going down the road and you fly by at 25, 30, 40, 50, 60 mile an hour, I can't tell that these are Equipment Defender. I might be able to tell if they're not Green Touch because they ain't green,
right,
or that orange.
Right.
But, hey, it is what it is. We're just trying to show you guys a little bit of kind of like the reality of starting up a business. Everything ain't all the glitz and glamour. So that's just the reality of it. I'm just trying to keep it real. Because here's an Equipment Defender blower rack. For the price of this one blower rack, you can get all of that. I'm just saying. I'm just showing.
You can add locks to these if you want to.
You can add, see, he said you can add locks.
If you get a long shank freaking master lock, that'll take it. And then the same thing with these blower racks. They got little holes right here. You can even add a lock to them. And that way, they can still cut your plastic or cut the metal or all that good stuff. But
yeah,
hey, it is what it is.
Yeah, you can still lock it up. Get you some long master locks or whatever. But don't think that you have to, when you're first starting out, don't think that you have to have a 14-foot tandem axle trailer. Let me tell you this little story about this trailer. When I met Dave, what'd you pay for this trailer? $300?
Yeah.
He paid $300. When I first met Dave, it wasn't all decked out with all this angle iron and all pretty black and all that big gate on the back and these fenders. None of that. It was bare bones, looked like junk. It was just a trailer frame. And he just put some elbow grease into it, bought a little bit at a time, and now he's got a nice looking setup.
Yep.
Still got a ways to go.
Yep. But
you can build, and that's what we're going to do with this eventually, as we're planning on tearing this down, turning this into a tandem axle. Because we got the space. It's 14 foot. We got that. We got the gate. Hey, you don't have to go spend $3,000 or $2,500 on a new trailer. You can do all this stuff yourself. If you're first starting out in business, chances are you don't have a whole lot of clients yet anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
You have time. And everybody talks about EDDM pliers. Those are awesome. If you have the money to get EDDM pliers, hey, go for it, because that can literally turn your business around. But what we've done, well, what I've done, and you know, what we've done here is I don't have the money for the EDDM. I printed out flyers, and I just went and hung them. The thing is, you have time. If you have time, it's just as good. Every door direct. Hey, you can put it on every mailbox. Same thing. You're just not paying the government to drop them off for you. So there's tricks and ways you can do it. You don't, hey, I wish I could tell you that you needed to get Equipment Defender because, or whatever. I wish I can tell you needed to get Green Touch, but you don't. Not yet. If you're a couple years in, you know, and you got the extra money, go with the better product. But if you're just starting out, man, this is the way to have it set up. It works. It works. You can get locks. You can keep it safe. It's a little extra step. But, hey, I'm just trying to help you out, help you get started. Everybody just did Black Fork Lawn. Hey, it's rained and stormed all night last night. We've had a lot of rain, so it's going to be a really, really late start today. I'm trying to kind of just kick it around. It's about 10 now, but I called David this morning about 7:30 and just said, hey, man, just take your time. We're just going to wait around. But the sun's finally out. We was wanting to get 2 out of, I don't know, we got quite a bit of mulch jobs lined up. We was kind of wanting to get 2 of them done today, the big one and another one, but I really think that if we just let this kind of all just dry out, or it's not going to completely dry out, but, you know, just, I don't know, maybe if we get over there around noon. Man, this rain's killing me. This rain is killing me, man. But it's nice and pretty right now. Alright, guys, like I said, it was a late start today. Man, I don't know. Sleeting and hail. Oh, here it comes. Y'all see it probably. Sleet, hail, rain, cold wind. I mean, this rain, y'all know, it's my first spring in the business. This rain is freaking killing me. Look at this. Look at this nonsense. You can't probably see it, but oh God, it's coming down now. So the idea is we're gonna try and get some rock. Try to get some of the rock done today. This is killing me. Look at all this nonsense. You see that? Oh God, I'm stuck out here. I'm going back in the truck. I got Dave over there weeding. Oh man. Let's go to back this is gonna, everything on this week is gonna be backed up till next week now. Well, good start on this. Obviously you can see but the wind just blew my phone over off the tripod and shattered the whole front of my phone, so there's that. This job's just starting out great. You know, it's just starting out just lovely. Working like Dave works. You don't never stop. I'm gonna end up putting this area in. So let's see. Today I've already broke my phone. My whole screen's already done. And then I just turned around and I broke my backpack sprayer. And how did you're probably wondering, how did he break his backpack sprayer? Well, I thought I could get 2 more pumps in it to get that bucket nice and tight, you know what I mean? And, well, them cheap little Roundup backpack sprayers got a little plastic thing, and I crunched it, man. I thought, I'd get 1 more, get her nice and aired up. Bam! So, there's that. Hey, so what we do, son? So what we do? Perfect. That's perfect. Hell yeah, man. Yeah, here's my truck I'll be buying here soon. Hey, you watch. Y'all watch out there. This old dad here is gonna have my truck like this. And I know you're probably sitting there thinking, man, I need to start my own landscaping business. I need to start my own lawn business. I don't have the resources. I don't have this. I don't have that. I don't know how to do anything. Hey, I was right in your shoes. Everything I had last year, I didn't know how to ride a zero turn. I didn't know how to do anything. And now look, we got, what, 9 yards of mulch, 8 yards of mulch, 10 ton of stone. We're on this beautiful $300,000 home. We're mowing properties all over the place. All you got to do is work. That's it. Just believe in yourself, because I was there. I was that guy that would watch YouTube videos thinking that it ain't possible. All you gotta do is work. You don't need the big fancy equipment. Use your residential stuff, man. Use your residential stuff. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna drop in some blower racks and string shovel racks that will cost $1,000 for a price of one Green Touch backpack blower rack. So there's ways around it. All you gotta do is be personable. People keep you work. You don't need fancy lettering. You don't need to have an enclosed trailer and all that. That stuff comes natural. Business comes natural. Employees come natural. Now, it might not take off. It's as hard as you work. If you work really hard on it, dedicated, you ain't gonna have a problem. That's just my 2 cents. We're gonna start seeing a lot of new faces in the business. Hey everybody. Alright. Move this down here. Hey everybody, yeah, we're done for today. Almost got all that rock spread. It was just a weird day, man. Now it's nice and pretty, but it's still cold. Really windy. But we had light snow come in, hail. I mean, it was just rain all morning. But it's all good. We're gonna try to get everything finished tomorrow. So that's gonna be good. That's gonna be we're already behind. So there's nothing we can do about it except complain. We're gonna try to get caught up, man. We can get all the. I got a couple more jobs. If I can get all these mulch jobs and different cleanups and stuff done before Sunday, because it's gonna rain Monday. We got 30% chance Sunday, 80% chance Monday. That will be great to get it all done. And then I think Tuesday we're gonna be mowing on the big property.